Hello, hello, this is Blake Hart with a machine expansion. Yes, it's been a while, I know, but here I am coming back at you with the freeform expansion by MSAudio, and I couldn't let this one go without making a video because it is that good. It is fire. Anytime MSAudio comes to make one of these expansions, you know it's going to be really good. So it's called Freeform. It's got a jazz feel, hip hop appeal. I like that tagline there. But it's got these jazz sounds, this vintage sound. And I don't recall, I could be wrong, hit me in the comments below if I'm wrong, but I don't recall there being another expansion that really has like a big jazz feel and just like organic sounding instruments and the kits in this. I mean, it's amazing. It's really good. We're going to go through it. I'm excited. Links are down below. I appreciate you if you use the link to go purchase either this expansion or anything from the Native Instruments website. It helps support the channel. So thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, let's dive in. We got a bunch of sounds in here. Bunch of sounds. So we've got loops, drum samples, and one-shots. 58 battery kits, 50 machine kits. So you 250 patterns, which is so cool. The patterns are like awesome, right? I love patterns. Can't get enough patterns. But the thing about this is you can use it with any DAW. So if you're using it with Ableton, for example, you can leverage using battery, or if battery is what you prefer to use, you can use that. So yeah, and you can access the loops and all that stuff. So you don't necessarily have to have machine. You can use it with whatever you want. These sounds are awesome. Let's dive into this. So I was playing around. I had a little bit of fun. I did like a little sketch. Let's see what we got going on here. I played all at once. So we got this nice kit. And I added this perk. Gives it like a little bit of movement in the background. This bass. And again, this is all from this expansion. So this is called the Jazz Club Bass. This perk was Shaker, Saka Shaker, and the Duality kit. And let's go with this. This is a little synth loop that was in there. And then this Velvet Rope kit. So this was a kit that you could actually add that was in there with different chords and stuff. We added that. And then I did these, gotta remember, Corrigan Fly. It's very faint and I've got it over to the right. Let's go for the whole thing again. Whoops. Threw this together. Like, that's the other thing. Like, I've never made a jazzy song before, but like the sounds were so good that like I threw this thing together. And I haven't been making as much music as I'd like to be making, so the fact that I came up with this little sketch. But that's the thing, is like when you have really great sounds, like when the sounds are so fire, that's how you can make great music. I mean, it obviously takes a little bit of skill, but the truth is like you could have like a ton of skill and like have the crappiest sounds in the world, and it's going to be hard. Not that it can't be done, but it's going to be harder to make a really great sounding song. But I love the organic sound of like these kits. So let's go through some of these kits and I'll show you some of the patterns, because I know that's what people like to see. So let's find this over here, Freeform. Put a little new group here. But so these are all our kits that we've got going on, and we'll load some up. And let me just mute this. Nice sounding stuff. And so these are a bunch of licks, like sax and everything. So listen to that. I'll stop this. Play some of the sounds. It's just, they sound so good, right? And everything's labeled, right? So you can see what everything is labeled, like in terms of the chords that you're playing. You know, the key. So you just have an idea of where you're at. All right, let's see what we got here. Loving it. So good, so good. Take these off. You can see these are like a lot of loop-based stuff too, but it's good. I'm not going to go through every single one of these, but I mean, you can see how excited I am. So you have, we got something still playing in the background there. You can chop these samples up. You can do whatever you need to do. So there's a lot of stuff over here. I'm not going to go through every single one of them. Let's see. I think this one was pretty nice. Let's take out the chords. These Gatos chords are really nice. So let's take those out. Hits are just really nice. So you can see this one as a kit. These aren't, they aren't like full loops. Listen to that kick. Ah, loving this. Let's see this one. It's just vibey, right? It's got swing. It makes you just inspired to make some music. And again, these are the patterns that are in here, right? So you got this pattern already when you buy this, and you can just start throwing some melodies and some chords and some chops at it. And then before you know it, you've got a song. Okay, so bunch of sounds here. I think DDS did a whole like sound by sound video, I'm sure, so you can go check out what he's got there. But these tines were cool. Nice sounds. Let's check out the Wee Bop kit. I'm sure you can hear that, right? I mean, I can hear that being a song right there. Oh, man. All right, so let's skip on, or else this video is going to be a really long video. So those are all our kits. So we've got a bunch of those there. But then we also have some instruments, some sounds that we can play with. This one was pretty cool. This is a like a voice thing going on. I like that. I thought it was cool. Bass. Some keys. Little detuned. Tines. Load up for me. Let's try that. Those are some nice tines. This is the sound that I used in the little sketch I did. Fusion synth. Ooh, I like that. What bass did I use? Actually, I'm curious. I use this bass. I thought it sounded familiar. That's why I was wondering. So this was the what I had going on. I think that's a nice sounding bass. Jazzy bass, jazzy tines. Let's see what the jazzy tines are. Feel it whirling in my ear. Love it. Love that whirl. Whew, nice. Kev Hardy keys. Nice. More bass. Old jazz piano. Otherworldly. Piano, some more bass. What's this thing? Neat. I thought this was a good organ. Stabs. Through tape time. It's nice. Tunchi Ivory. It's a nice piano. And some more bass. So we don't have any Monarch or Massive presets, right? Those aren't included in this because you're getting a lot of other stuff. You're getting a lot of kits and all kinds of loops and stuff. So we're going to skip past there. But as always, you got your, one shots. Loops, sorry. And so you got some combos. You got a ton of different breakdowns here that you can use. So the reason for the combos is you can load these up and you can chop these. So the combos, you can load them up, you can chop them. You chop them up and use them as you want. That's why we've got a lot of heavy combos going on here. That's the style, what you're going to use this for. You're going to chop those up and sample out of them. But some nice drums. So duality, that's what I used. So we got a drum stuff here. Keys. So a lot of nice loops. A lot of really nice loops, like high quality loops. Leads. And some really good perks. This ride. Sax. And then we have all our one shots over here, which you can load up and play as an instrument if you want to do that. Just the single chords. There's a lot of neat single chords. And these are in some of the kits that we were looking at before. Some more nice one shots from our drums. We got those there. Drum fills. Some more combos. And yeah, lick. A lot of licks, which is really cool. There is so much here. This is insane. It is really insane. Look at this. I mean, it just goes on and on and on and on. So awesome. We got stabs. So cool. Tape time. Oh man. Yeah. Some vocals. So those would be fun to cut up and play with.
Give me that sugar.
Oh, wow. So I think that gives you a good idea of what is in this expansion. Like I said before, links are down below. I thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope that it brought value to you. I will see you again in my next video. If you haven't hit the subscribe button and you're still here, hit that subscribe button so you can come back and see more. I'll see you again soon.